Okay, so step one is going to be to do what? Label both equations. Okay, so we got equation 1 and equation 2. Okay, take a second and look at it. Which one do we circle? The one with the y equals, and which one is that? Equation 1. Okay, sometimes it's going to be equation 1, sometimes it's going to be equation 2. Okay, so we're going to circle this, and we plug it into the other equation for y. Okay, so you're going to get negative 4x minus 3, and instead of y, we're writing what? Negative 2x minus 5 equals 11. Okay, and then what do we do?
Distribute.
We're going to distribute. Okay, so I'm going to have negative 4x. What is negative 3 times negative 2?
Positive 6.
Positive 6. Negative 3, oh, 6x, my bad. Positive 3, or, good Lord. I'm ready to go. Okay, negative 3 times negative 5.
15.
Positive 15 equals 11. Okay, and then what? We're going to combine the like terms. And what can we combine? The 4 and the 6. Okay, so negative 4 plus 6 is going to give me 2x plus 15 equals 11. Minus 15. So you're going to get 2x equals negative 4. Okay, and then what?
Divide.
We're going to divide by 2. Okay, so you're going to get x equals negative 2. Okay, what do we do with that x? We're going to plug it in. Plug it in where? Okay, we're going to plug it into equation 1, the one that says y equals. So you're going to get y equals negative 2, and instead of x, we now know our x is negative 2, minus 5. Okay, and you can type this part in on your calculator. Okay, if you were not here yesterday, okay, it's the exact same, and we're going to do the exact same the next day whenever we have school. Practice, okay? You're going to get better at it the more you do it, and then before you know it, you'll be super fast at it. Some of you guys were already doing really decent yesterday. Okay, and what do you get for that when you plug that in on your calculator? Negative 5? Negative 1? Negative 1? Okay. Okay, are we finished? We gotta write it in a coordinate. Okay, so it should look like parenthesis, negative 2, comma, negative 1. Can I scroll? Okay, number 3. Same thing, we're going to start out by labeling equation 1, equation 2. Okay, and then we circle which one, equation 1 or 2? 1. And that gets plugged in down here into the y. Okay, so you're going to get 3x minus 2, and then you put the 3x minus 11 in there, equals 10. Okay, and then we're gonna distribute. So I'm gonna have 3x. Negative 2 times 3x is gonna be negative 6x. Negative 2 times negative 11 is positive 22. Okay, and we can combine our like terms. So we're gonna get negative 3x plus 22 equals 10. Okay, so minus 22. So I got 3x equals 10 minus 22. It's going to give you negative 12. And then we're going to divide by negative 3. And you get x equals 4. Okay, we circle this and we can plug it in up here to our circled equation. So we get y equals 3 times 4 minus 11. And what do you get for that?
Y equals 1.
Y equals 1. So you're gonna get 4 comma 1. Okay, 5, same thing, we're gonna label. And which one are you gonna circle? The top one. Okay, we're gonna circle this one and it gets plugged into the other one. So you're gonna get 2x minus 3 and my y is x minus 3 equals 8. Oh, thanks. Okay, so you're gonna get 2x. Negative 3 times x is gonna be negative 3x. Negative 3 times negative 3 is gonna be plus 9. Okay, you're gonna combine your like terms. So you're gonna get negative 1x plus 9 equals 8. That was super embarrassing. My kid could make it that. Okay, we're gonna say minus 9. So you're gonna get negative 1x equals negative 1. We ain't doing that.
I'll help you guys in just a second.
Okay, and then divide by negative 1. And then we're gonna plug that into our circled equation above. So you get y equals 1 minus 3. So you get y equals negative 2. Okay, 7. 7 looks a little bit different than what we've been doing, but they're actually easier, okay, than the other ones. Okay, but it's still the same process, same steps. So you got 1 and equation 2. Which one are you going to circle? Equation 1. Okay. And that gets plugged into the other equation. Okay. So you're going to get 3x minus 3. And what are we plugging in for y? 1 equals 6. Okay, now, normally your next step is to do what? Distribute. We can kind of distribute, so 3 times 1, or negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. Okay, and then you're going to add the 3 over. So you get 3x equals 9. And you're going to divide, and you're going to get x equals 3. Good. Okay, so we found our x. What is your next step? Do the other column. Okay, so normally you would plug it back in to the circled one, right? But we already know what y is. What is y? 1. So your steps are done. Okay, there's really nothing to plug it back into. You already know, because the whole goal is to get x equals y equals. You already know what y equals. So it's going to be 3, 1. Okay, same as yesterday. I want you to rip the back page off and throw it away. Okay, you guys got 4 to do. 2, 4, 6, and 8. And then put in the box when you're done.